In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table from Google Sheets into Google Slides in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly useful when you want to present data from your spreadsheets directly in a slideshow format without the need for retyping or manual entry, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're unfamiliar with this, simply type Google Slides into your search engine and click the link, or you can enter the URL slides.google.com directly in your address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is important because both Google Slides and Google Sheets are part of Google's suite of applications, and using the same account ensures seamless integration between them. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here you have two options. You can either start with a blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. This choice depends on the context of your presentation. If you want full customization, a blank presentation might be the way to go. If you prefer a more structured layout, Google's variety of templates can be quite handy. Now let's go over to your Google Sheets document where your data resides. Select the portion of the table you wish to include in your presentation and copy it. You can do this by highlighting the cells, then right-clicking to select copy, or simply using the shortcut Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows. Now return to your Google Slides presentation. Within your chosen slide, right-click and select paste, or use the shortcut Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. When you do this, a small dialog box will appear asking if you want to link the table to the Google Sheet. This feature is incredibly useful if you anticipate needing to update the data frequently, as it allows the table in your presentation to automatically update whenever the data in your spreadsheet changes. In this dialog, select Link to Spreadsheet. After linking, click Paste in the dialog box. This operation will insert the table into your Google Slides, maintaining its format and link to the source spreadsheet. If you've done everything correctly, you've successfully inserted and linked a table from Google Sheets into Google Slides. This method not only enhances productivity and data accuracy, but also helps in creating dynamic presentations. Now go ahead and explore these features and see how they can make your presentations insightful and efficient. If you have any issues or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.